Always gotta check my fit before I come into the garage. What's up, everybody? Day 2, we're going to wrap the Prelude. I am Joshua Goodwin, aka mechlovin, and you are in the Ideal Auto Factory. Front fenders are getting wrapped. Spooky. I'll show you some techniques on wrapping front fenders. For those that don't know, front fenders and rear fenders. You can say fenders and quarter panels, but for the sake of wrapping, front fenders and rear fenders. Cue the intro. Before we get started, I'm gonna show y'all now. If we look right about here, see, that's not dust. That's scratches from sanding to make it really smooth. But we do have dust and dirt right here. So I'm gonna clean that again. The place that has a lot of dirt, a ton of dirt, guys, is right in this wheel well. So it's already loose. So I'm going to clean that out too. I put the squeegee inside of a rag, like so. And then I go into the crevices until that thing is clean. And one more thing before we get started. If you are enjoying this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Look, we are trying to make something happen this year. This year, we're gonna go forth and we're gonna do a lot of great things. We're gonna keep God first, keep the faith, and keep it moving. And let's get to rapping. There's a line right here. It's the line right here, all the way up. That's the line that we want the wrap to be on. We want this wrap to lay on this line, all the way up to the edge, right here. There's a line in between this green tape. That line is sharp enough to cut vinyl. And the tape is so you can lay it down and it not move. Look at that nice little line. And then we got all our overhang right here. That's a whole lot of overhang. It'll make sense later. Trust me. So we're going all the way down. Boom. Not completely perfect, but it's good. And look, more overhang. Overhang on both sides. So there's your knifeless line. The reason why you're doing it there is when you close the hood, look, that gap, that little gap, is the difference between seeing red and seeing white. Reporting to you live from the Ideal Auto Factory head cam. So, as you saw, I laid the vinyl, I laid this over here, and then you saw me fold it up and cut it in half after I measured and did everything. That was me. Basically, what I did was I measured from top to bottom, and pretty much it was less than 30 inches. Less than 30 inches means less than 5 feet total. So from top to bottom, less than 5 feet. Meaning, if I measure from left to right and I get the length this way, then I can cut it in half and be good. I got the heat on, by the way. It's a little colder in here than it was yesterday. I'm about to cut right in this wheel well. I'm not gonna cut like right at the edge. And you can do that so you have the tension from when you're pulling this way does not fight when you pull that way. This is like a huge relief cut. Next up, we're gonna take our tack cloth, get up under there real quick. Make sure everything's all dust free. See, look at that. Look, what is this? What is this? Always coming out of nowhere. Random stuff. Again, HEXIS. So I'm not, definitely not doing this the way I would do other reps. Not in the slightest. Gonna make sure we still good there. Still good up here. Let's slide it up just a little bit more, just to make sure. All right, that looks good to me. Yeah, always. So we're gonna lock that in. It's the edge of the fender. It's gonna be nice to show the technique right here. Cause you think you're done. You get to the edge when it's not the case at all. Let's finish the rest of it. Let's get the rest of this off. So, got the rest of that. I'm gonna pull my left hand. I'm pulling back. You see that? It's perfectly flat. I don't want anything to show. And I just locked in a little more right there. I'm kind of commentating everything. Wow, this is really cool. So I locked that in. This little part right here, I can pull ever so slightly, get that down. High tack, so we good. We kind of lock it in there. And for the rest of this, it's stuck right here. So I gotta lift up, but I'm gonna lift up and pull everything straight down. The only way to get it straight down is to pull with both sides. So let's go straight down. And remember, I learned this rap yesterday. So we're gonna do that number here. Lock it in down there. We'll worry about that in a little bit, but let's get this whole top half. The whole top half is laid. And now we're going towards the bottom. This is where it gets kind of tricky. So we're gonna go after this again. That's the spot we want to get to. So we got there. Let's see if I'll have to hold it up. So we're gonna go left, right, all the way down pretty much. Look at that. And by the way, it's kind of cold. This is not warm at all. So this wrap does not want to flex with everything that I want it to do. So I'm having to pull it a little. See, like right there. I probably can use some heat, but I don't know. I don't want to mess with the heat gun yet. Oh, that's the side marker. I was like, yo, what was that? So now that we got it all the way down, look at this. So this is pulling from over here. So the rest of the wrap will want to lay down easily. I just got to squeegee it correctly. So I left the right motion. Look at that. And the squeegee strength on this one, the squeegee hardness, I should say, it's about, I say 75%. It's not the hardest thing in the world. It's not the softest one. So it's a medium, I guess. So look at that. We got this whole side laid. Let's finish it off. This little section. I'm not really pulling so much as I am trying to push it down. I may pull out the heat gun for that. Yeah. Try to keep up with my trash, but I'm breaking the blade. Boom. Look at that, already under there, that's beautiful. I like that. Well, there you have it. It's going well. The wrap is laying, it's doing its thing. And yeah, it's going well. I like it. We're going to get real up close and personal with these door handles and these mirrors on the next one. And that'll do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you, again, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you all for the major support on the first video. I got over 100 views and I'm really appreciative of that because I know how much it takes to get to even that point. So I'm really thankful that you guys watched it, and you know, whether it be, you know, you found something interesting in it or you watched it all the way through. I'm just thankful that you watched it. And like always, it's been a great day. It's been a great video. And I will catch you on the next one. Peace.